AgEagle announced some important news today, and traders and investors are going nuts all over social media. With the company reporting its earnings on August 14th, UAVS closed up almost 6.5% today and went up another 1.68% in the after hours, making that a current share price of $3.03. In this video, we're going to be breaking down the news and looking at the market reactions. And we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your wealth through investing and trading stocks in the market, make sure you start right now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss a thing. I'll see you in the video. Let's go. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing AgEagle, ticker symbol UAVS. So I'm sure you're wondering, what was this news that I mentioned earlier? Well, the wonderful news is that UAVS finally announced the new location that it's planning on moving to. Now, this actually won't take place until September, as they do have to do some work on the place. But as you can see on your screen right now, it's a total of 12,000 square feet. It's got 5,000 square feet of high quality office, 7,000 square feet of air conditioned warehouse. As you can see immediately in these images, this warehouse or this building, this location looks much better. It's much more presentable than the last location, which I'm not going to show in this video, but if you want to see it, it's in my previous videos that I did on UAVS. So if you haven't seen those, make sure to check those out. But as you can see, this is a nice place. I am proud of them. It's got nice offices, and we do know by the pictures that they're not going to be able to smoke inside. We also know that their employees are going to be getting breaks and using a microwave. So here's the floor plan in case you're interested in that. And before I forget, the address is 8863 East 34th North Wichita, Kansas. So what is the significance of that, you may wonder? Well, as you can see on your screen, Amazon and UAVS seem to be close together. Now, when I say Amazon, I'm referring to the new Amazon warehouse that has been purchased by Amazon but not quite set up yet. Now what this is going to be is a distribution center, and according to the city manager, Scott Rigby, Amazon will use the facility for larger items and other products. So Amazon has not released a date on when they plan to move in or turn it into their one of their distribution centers, but we do know that they need to do some work before they can get in there, and they're supposed to add around 100 jobs. Another thing is that it is only 4 minutes driving distance away from UAVS. So as you can imagine, Twitter is going crazy. People are saying things, crazy things. Just let me show you very quickly. UAVS, new warehouse super close to the Amazon warehouse, liking an Amazon post. I'm going to explain that in a minute, and much more. Could this mean a potential Amazon partnership? Price target $10 to $50 within 2 to 10 months. Now, I'm not going to share this guy's Twitter handle because I do not have his permission, but what I would like to do is make you aware that there's a lot of hype going on. So you should do your own DD. Don't just look at these prices that people are putting out on Twitter, Facebook, or wherever you may see them and think, oh, this stock's going to $50 or it's going to $100. I'm going to put all my life savings into it, or I'm going to, put money into it that I can't afford to lose. Never, ever do that. That's rule number 1. All right, moving on, because I think you guys get the picture. So what you're seeing on your screen right now is a screenshot that's from Facebook, and it's showing users that liked a specific post. The post was a post made by AgEagle. I believe it was just pictures of the new warehouse that they purchased. And one of the guys on here, I can't remember which guy it is, he said something along the lines of, you guys are going to do Amazon things. And then he posted underneath it saying, oh, I mean amazing. And UAVS or AgEagle liked that those two comments. So people are looking at that and interpreting that to be a sign that AgEagle is hinting or suggesting that they're working with Amazon. Again, stop looking at dumb BS and pretending that everything means a deal with Amazon. And of course, I'm not talking to everybody here, just certain people that are doing so. And I'm not trying to be mean or trying to be a jerk. I'm just trying to look out for you and make sure that you don't lose any money based on speculation. Wait until you have more information or something that's actually solid, because for months now, you hadn't had anything solid, just a bunch of pumping on Twitter. Now, I'm not saying that this company is not a good company or is worthless or whatever. That usually gets misconstrued when I do my videos. I'm just saying that this stuff with Amazon is a little bit out of proportion. I see a lot of pumping going on, and that's why I'm skeptical. I personally don't believe it, and I'm not telling you not to believe it, but I'm telling you to wait till there's actual evidence of it before you take action. I mean, if the qualifying criteria is just to be, a few minutes away from the AgEagle warehouse, then take your pick. I mean, look at all these companies that are all over the place. AgEagle is literally surrounded by just different companies. So could it be that one of them is that e-commerce customer ordering the drones? Yes, I believe so. And I've got my eyes on Goodwill because I know it's Goodwill. They're selling their shirts and they need drones to transport their shirts all over the town. I'm just messing around. It's probably not Goodwill. In all reality, I don't know who it is. You don't know who it is. We don't know who it is. Hopefully, the company will announce it soon, and then we can take proper, measures to ensure maximum profitability. Yeah, let's do that. So anyhow, you guys, this is all I have for you today. This video actually ran longer than I expected it to. So do me a favor, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you didn't enjoy the video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're not one of my subscribers, make sure to ask yourself why. Why would you want to deprive yourself of the information that I put out on pretty much a daily basis? It's valuable, it gives you valuable insight, and it will help you become profitable. If you're not profitable, if you already are, then it'll help you become even more profitable. So make sure you subscribe, smash that like button. I will see you guys in the next video.